Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you outside run defense tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to skills trainer and go to run defense. Go to outside run defense. And now, the goal of a run to the outside is usually to get the running back near the edge of the offensive line. Choosing cover 3 or cover 4 is a good way to defend this because it puts the force player in position to protect the edge. Keep the running back inside the hot spot and prevent a first down. Another strategy for stopping the run is to get in the offensive backfield before the ball leaves. Blitzing is a great way for the defense to get into the backfield. For the best result, blitz in the same direction the ball carrier is going. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.